The amazing human brain. Fun facts. Did you know your brain is the ultimate command center of your body? It's surprisingly soft and squishy, with a texture similar to firm tofu. Even though it only makes up about 2% of your body weight, it consumes a massive 20% of your oxygen and energy supply. It's constantly working to keep you going. Inside your head, there is a super complex network of billions of tiny cells called neurons. These aren't just sitting there. They are constantly firing electrical impulses to communicate with each other. This is how you think, move, and even breathe. It's like a biological internet that never sleeps, even when you are having a deep dream. Have you ever wondered how you perceive the world? Your brain is a master at processing information from your senses, your eyes, ears, and touch. It gathers all this data in a split second, interpreting everything around you to help you make sense of life. It's like having a high-speed processor running constantly in the background. Think of your brain as a giant ripple effect. Just like a stone dropped in a pond, every thought or action creates a wave of activity through your neural pathways. These waves travel at incredible speeds, allowing you to react to the world around you instantly. It's a beautiful, constant flow of information moving through your mind. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. This amazing quality is called neuroplasticity. It means your brain is constantly reorganizing itself by forming new connections throughout your life. Whether you're learning a new language, practicing an instrument, or picking up a new hobby, your brain is actually physically changing to accommodate your new skills. Imagine a galaxy inside your skull. The number of connections between your neurons is so vast it rivals the number of stars in our own galaxy. It is truly a universe of its own, capable of storing a lifetime of memories, complex emotions, and creative ideas. You really do carry a whole cosmos of potential right between your ears. So communication is key to everything we do. Your brain uses electrochemical signals to send messages across this vast internal network. It's almost like a series of tiny sparks jumping across gaps to ensure information reaches the right destination. This rapid, seamless communication is exactly what makes you, well, you. At its core, the brain is essentially a powerhouse of energy. Even while you sleep, it remains busy maintaining your systems, processing your day, and clearing out clutter. It never truly takes a day off. It is the silent, tireless guardian that keeps your consciousness intact from the moment you wake up to the moment you drift off. Consider how unique your brain is. No two brains are exactly the same. Yours is shaped by every experience you've ever had. From the simple things like your favorite song to the most complex problems you've solved, your brain is a living, breathing autobiography that continues to write its next chapter every single day. So take a moment to appreciate this incredible, brilliant, and complex organ. It is responsible for every joy you feel and every dream you pursue. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep your mind active, because with a brain as amazing as yours, the possibilities are truly endless. Thanks for learning a little bit more about yourself today.